Voiced and voiceless. The on-off switch that changes everything. Put your hand on your throat right now. Here. Say zzz. Feel the vibration. Now say s, s. Nothing, just air. That vibration on and off is one of the most important systems in English. Why? It creates pairs. Ba is voiced. Pa is voiceless. Da is voiced. Ta is voiceless. Va is voiced. Fa is voiceless. Z is voiced. Sa is voiceless. Ja is voiced. Ka is voiceless. Th as in this is voiced. Th as in think is voiceless. Why does this matter? It is very important because in Arabic, we don't have the pa sound, zero. So when Arabic speakers often say pa, they say ba instead. People instead of people. So people becomes people. Park becomes bark. Please becomes bleeze. Now, fix this. How do you fix it? Hand on your throat. Hand on your throat. Say p. Feel nothing, just air. Lips together, release. Say b, v. Feel vibration. Lips together. Release the voice. Voice. Now, let's practice together. Bet, pet. Back, pack. Bin, pin. Buy, pie. In sentence, please pay the full price. People put papers on the printer. Can I park my car here? One switch on or off matters. Master this, and your clarity improves immediately. Now, that's not enough. We have to practice. Hands on throat. Say these pairs, but you have to say them 5 times. Be, pe, de, te, ve, fe, ze, se. Feel the on and off switch every time. You have to do it consistently. Otherwise, you are not going to learn it. Thank you.